After a fair amount of use, the print bed material that I use gets a bit damaged and starts to affect the quality of the prints. As I have something new I want to print, it's time to change the print bed material. I like to use these blue painter's tape type sheets. These particular ones come from Hobby King, but they're fairly ubiquitous these days. In this video I'm going to show you how I changed the print bed material, as I've seen people make a right pig's ear of it, and it should be quite straightforward and simple. I've preheated the bed to enable me to remove the old sheet more easily, so let's peel that off. I only use the print bed material when I'm printing PLA or nylon. If I'm printing ABS, I do it directly on the glass plate that I've added, and I prepare it with some acetone with some small pieces of ABS melted into it to make it like a slurry, so that is nice and sticky. To apply the new sheet, conveniently there's this little bit that's left at the top, which will enable us to separate the layer. So I just separate a small amount along the top of the sheet, just fold that piece under there like that, get hold of each corner, place one corner down, and then whilst stretching it, simply get that piece put down firmly, get hold of the underside and just start to pull it down. Once you have maybe nearly half the sheet released, just take a scraper keeping tension on the sheet, and you get the idea here. Just pull down a small part of the sheet each time. There we are, job done. A nice, clean, smooth surface ready to print. Simples.